Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here, crypto.com, and we're looking at the earn. Now, my last batch of crypto that was in earn is gone. It expired. So what we want to do now is we want to go look. See, there's the last round of Polygon, making 5.5 and 11%. Well, 11.5% is long gone. Sorry to say. But with Polygon, we can still get 5.5%, which is not great, but it's not terrible either. And it's only for 3 months, so not a big deal. So, what I want to do is I'm going to stake 250 because that is the minimum. And I'm hoping this rate is going to go back up. Maybe, maybe not. Anyway, 5.5%, not bad. It's still better than we can get in the bank because we're getting like maybe 4% at a high yield online bank. All right. Oh, expired. I took too long. Let's try it again. All right. So we transferred it over. We are now locked in for the next 3 months. 5.5%. So this is a really good way to make passive income. If you have, say, $1 million, this would be a great way to make 5%. Although there's probably better ways out there if you have $1 million to make passive income. But anyway, this is just a way. So if you guys want to learn how to do this, be sure to subscribe. And we can do even better over on the DeFi wallet. So be sure you subscribe and go check out those videos where we have Crow staked over there for 10, 11%. Pretty cool. All right, guys. That's all I have for today. Still bullish on the crypto. Thanks for watching.